2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, front, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.